Nothing super special. What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be talking about a bunch of stuff I got in from a company called Rolling Square. They sent me 5, 6, 7 different things. Wanted to wait. A few things I've opened up, a few things I haven't, but I wanted to wait for the video to sort of put everything together. So we'll unbox them, talk about them quickly, and then I'll leave links for everything down in the description below so you guys can check them out for yourself. But they all look very good, very high quality, and very cool. So let's jump right into it. First up we have, this is the desk stand for MagSafe. So this is a wood stand that you're gonna put your, you already have a MagSafe charger. This is like a wooden accessory for it. Solid wood, nano suction base, and some N52 high-grade quality magnets for your MagSafe. Oh, you can pull the MagSafe right off of this. So if you pull it straight off, you're gonna take, it says take it, so you're gonna take the MagSafe off. So this doesn't really tightly hold it in, but if you wanna leave the MagSafe on, then you slide the phone off to the side. Packaging is really good. I mean, it's very high quality packaging, which tells you a lot about a company in my opinion. So here we go. This is it right here. You got this tubular design. You got a little protective sheet over the little nano for sitting on your desk. MagSafe. Oh, it's magnetic. So it holds the MagSafe in magnetically. And then if you're going to use, where is my iPhone? So then you just MagSafe like this, sitting on your desk. And like I said, if you want to take it, you slide it off, MagSafe stays, or MagSafe can stay on there. That's pretty cool. I didn't know it was that. I thought it was like you locked your MagSafe into it and then that's what it is. But it really leaves it on a nice angle, like on your nightstand or on your desk, so you can still see it, still do your face lock, unlock, Face ID and all that good stuff. So solid wood, so that's a nice one. This one's very similar, but this is a lay flat one, and it's a mini dock. Packaging, again, on point. Same thing, take it up or leave it by lifting it up or sliding it to the side. We have the same exact qualities in it, solid wood, suede leather. I said leather, suede layer. It's a PU suede layer to protect your MagSafe from scratches. Same magnets, nano suction at the bottom. You're gonna charge it like this. If you wanna take it off, take your MagSafe up or slide it to the side and leave it there. So again, very cool, very simple, but very cool. I'm a fan of simple elegance. Okay, so they gave me, where are we at here? Okay, this one I already opened, it was already on my desk. This is a very simple 15-watt wireless charger. Packaging is just like brown recyclable looking on this one. But this is what it is. It has USB Type-C charging, so you can use your own charger, your own cable, whatever you want. But then it's just a flat 15-watt wireless charger. Nothing super special about this one. Glossy, got a rubberized little ring at the bottom so it doesn't slide all over your desk. I've been using this though on my desk recently for my work phone at night and for my AirPods when I'm sitting at my desk. So I'm digging it so far. Again, like I said, links will be down below for everything. And these are the -2, and these are wireless earbuds. We'll just read off some of the specs here. It's got Bluetooth 5, Qualcomm chipset, wireless charging, long battery life, passive noise canceling, touch controls, let's see, IP55, 4 microphones, and independent connection, which means you can use either one, like if you can just have one in your ear at a time. So this is packaging. Again, it's a legit packaging. It's nice. I like the little lime green accent there, matches the actual headphones. In there you get the case, the earbuds, the charger, and charger cable, and then of course multiple ear tips. The case for it is this rubberized, soft rubber. It's like a graphite looking color. earbuds. There's a hint of green inside of the ear tip, and then you can see it because the outer layer is translucent. Got a little LED on the outside. Very iPod-esque with the little stem, but as soon as you put even one in, you can hear the suction, like everything just sort of melts away. They look good. They feel really good. I'm already connected. They charge, they got 3 pins along the stem for wirelessly charging in the dock. And then like I said, the case wirelessly docks too. These sound good. I've been using them actually for a couple weeks. I've had all this stuff in for a couple weeks, but those are the one things that I opened, or one of that and the charger I opened right away. They sound really good. With the passive noise canceling, the bass sounds pretty good. Nothing, you're not gonna get anything crazy. These aren't super expensive. Again, links for everything will be down below, but they fit really, really good, which is something that I find very frustrating with earbuds nowadays. Like they're either hit or miss with me. These fit really, really good, super comfortable. Like I said, they sound really good. The quality, when you're listening to or watching like a video, there's no, sync issues where you're hearing it after the mouths are moving, anything like that. So everything like that's legit and good. So these are a great option, -2. Okay, so now we're getting to the chargers. This is the InCharge Pro. Again, this one just has very minimal packaging, but you have USB Type-C cable, very small cable, USB Type-A on the other side. So this is just a very small USB Type-C cable, but a little trick with it is it's got these very strong magnets on each side. When you put them together, you get this nice little package, but it is nice and compact to where you can put it in your bag a little bit easier. I have a tech bag that I carry with a bunch of cables in it. These are gonna replace a lot of those cables because, well, you'll see in a second, but this is a nice one to have, just very small, very compact. This is the Tau. These next 3 things are designed in Switzerland, specifically says it on the packaging. The power bank you will actually use. So this is, you have USB Type-C, and then you have iPhone and micro USB. Now, if you're a fan of the channel, you follow me on social media, I'm not a fan of micro USB. I try to get away from it as much as possible. There's things that I have that take USB Type-C or micro USB. My Sennheiser microphones, this lav setup takes micro USB. My Kindle, there's a few things that do, but if I'm gonna buy anything new, I try to stay away from it. But this does have that, and Lightning, it's sort of one connector, but it has like this wirelessly, or not, yeah, I guess it's wirelessly charging dock. And in some of the marketing stuff, it shows like the dock. You get like, there's the dock up here. They show it like mounted on a wall. I don't think I would mount it on a wall because you still need a cable for it. So you'd mount it on the wall and then have the cable running straight down. I do think it'd be cool on your desk, locked down on your desk, like with some 3M tape or something, and then you can just slide your keys into it, or just this as itself if you just have it hanging on your bag. 1600 milliamps, so it's not a huge power bank. It's obviously made for like a keychain, so it's not gonna be monstrous. Let's see what we got here. Oh, okay, so they're like really wanting you to mount this on the wall because it comes with mounting hardware. So you get like 2 screws, comes with a micro USB cable for like the dock. It's a clean dock though. You plug in the micro USB into the bottom here. This is your mounting plate here. Got your little through holes there. And then you would keep this, you would mount this to the wall, and then this slides up and over. Cable's nice and locked in. So I guess if you put this in more of a smaller area, I don't know. I don't think I would mount this on the wall. That's just me. Maybe you have a spot that would work out good for this. But anyways, let's get beyond the mounting to the wall. So you can connect this. So you got this little metal piece here. This is where you're gonna put your keys. You can put your key ring through here. And then on each side, you have This is very cool, actually. It's lightning, but the inside of it accepts, it's micro USB and lightning in one. I was telling my wife I think she would like this. And then on the other side, you have USB Type-C. So this is like really for like in a pinch, you know, your phone dies. My wife has a iPhone mini, so this would be nice to live in her purse. So then you got the magnet. Obviously it's super strong, so it's supposed to be sitting on a wall with keys on it. But you're gonna wirelessly charge. You got a little LED up top there. So that's nice. Like I said, I don't think personally I would mount it to a wall, but it does have the hardware if that's something that you're into. That may be more for maybe like a kid or something, like a teenager or something. They would probably be into that a little bit more than an old man like myself. So here is the InCharge 6. Again, designed in Switzerland. This is the Swiss Army cable. This is a Swiss Army knife of cables. So what we got here is USB Type-C. Again, you have the same iPhone and micro USB combo. And then on the other side, you have USB Type-A and another USB Type-C. This again is like the kind that's gonna fold up, like the InCharge itself, the original InCharge. Again, this is the InCharge 6. Okay, so you can charge and sync with these. So here is this one. This one actually comes with a key ring. That's pretty dope. It's a nice one too. This one feels more substantial when it's together than the InCharge by itself. I don't know if it's a larger magnet. It doesn't look like it is, but the way it fits together just is different. So this side here, you have USB Type-C showing. Then you lift it up and flip it down, and you have USB, micro USB and the lightning combo like we looked at before. That locks into place really nice. Feel really well built. Then on this side, you have USB Type-A, and then pop it up and you have USB Type-C. So you have, this can be your computer side. So either USB Type-A or USB Type-C, and then you have lightning, micro USB, or USB Type-C on the other side. Lightning ring on there. That's a pretty dope setup. This one's gonna be mine. Okay, that was the InCharge 6. This is the InCharge 6 Max, which is the same setup, but in a, how long is this one? 5 feet or 1.5 meter cable. So again, same thing, but this is a flat, like braided cable. Get a nice little Velcro thing for it. So very, I mean like 5 feet long. That's longer than what I'm going to show you in this video, but same connectors, USB Type-C and USB Type-A on one side, USB Type-C, lightning, and USB, micro USB underneath. So this is one that's gonna take away quite a few cables out of my tech bag. So awesome. That is it. Video is probably a lot longer than I expected it to be, but big shout out to Rolling Square for sending all this stuff out. Again, links for everything will be down below. Let me know what you guys think is the coolest thing that we took a look at. Let me know what you guys pick up, if you pick up anything. And yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. If you didn't, you can dislike it. It's all good. If you really love the video, you can subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.